My video is about how to remove the dangerous pop-up windows that come from this site, Odrivicdriv.top. Of course, the name of this site doesn't make any sense, and it is extremely dangerous if you interact with it. The pop-up by Odrivicdriv.top tries to force you into clicking on a special allow button integrated into it. So the pop-up says you need to tap the allow button to continue. In reality, it's dangerous for you to do that. Sometimes the pop-up uses pretty deceptive messages. For instance, they need to click on allow to verify your age, or to prove that you are a human, or to repair your missing internet connection, or to watch some video. In reality, all these messages are totally deceptive, and if you click on allow, the browser gets hijacked. You will be brought to many junk resources in the internet, such as browser hijackers, adware, promoters, and so on. So if the allow button was clicked, go to the settings of your browser, scroll down to privacy and security, click on site settings, and now click on notifications in the permissions area. Carefully examine the allow section and you will find some of these dangerous sites. All of them that are dangerous needs to be deleted. And also I recommend that you perform the additional cleanup of your Mac with a combo cleaner antivirus. You may obtain its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. This is the way the program looks like. It's in the trial mode initially. However, it will perform the free scanning of your Mac, and some of its functions are totally free. Simply click on Start Combo Scan to begin the free research of your Mac device. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually, one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threats from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.